How long does it take to activate a TracFone SIM card?
Welcome to our video about activating a TracFone SIM card. In this video, we'll discuss the process of activating your SIM card and how long it typically takes. Let's dive right in.
What is a TracFone SIM card?
A TracFone SIM card is a small, removable chip that connects your mobile device to the TracFone network. With a TracFone SIM card, you can enjoy prepaid wireless service without any contracts, credit checks, or activation fees.
How do I activate my TracFone SIM card?
Activating your TracFone SIM card is easy. Just follow these simple steps. 1. Insert the SIM card into your mobile device, ensuring it is properly seated. 2. Power on your device and ensure it has a strong signal. 3. Visit the TracFone website or call their customer service to complete the activation process. 4. Provide necessary information, like your SIM card number, device IMEI, and a service plan. 5. Follow the instructions given by the representative or website to complete the activation.
How long does it take to activate a TracFone SIM card?
Typically, activating a TracFone SIM card takes anywhere from a few minutes to 24 hours. The exact time may vary depending on factors like network congestion and the time of day you activate your SIM card. However, most users experience a swift activation process.
What if my TracFone SIM card doesn't activate?
If your TracFone SIM card doesn't activate within 24 hours, try the following. 1. Double-check your information. Make sure you've provided the correct SIM card number and device IMEI. 2. Restart your device. Power off your mobile device, wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. 3. Contact TracFone customer support. If you're still having trouble, reach out to TracFone's customer service for assistance. And that's it. Activating your TracFone SIM card is a straightforward process that usually takes just a few minutes. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact TracFone's customer support for help. Happy connecting!